What's up, everyone? So this week is a vlog week, so you guys are going to see how my weeks go, and just basically I'm gonna film myself, and yeah, so I'm super excited for you guys to see like more of my personal side and like what I do and stuff like that. So if you want to know how my week went, keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm having a bit of a me night tonight. As you can tell, I still sound sick, but I do feel better. This is the Neutrogena. It is their deep clean mask. So I don't know if you guys want me to do a review on it or not. I probably will end up doing a review on it. So yeah, I'm just having a me night. I'll probably watch, I feel like I look ridiculous, but I'll probably end up watching a movie and, you know, making myself some dinner. As you can tell, it's like, you guys are like, it's obviously not nighttime, but I do promise you guys it is 6:30 and I typically never finish my day this early. So I was like, you know, hey, I finished my day this early, why not have some me time? You deserve me time. Get yourself some me time. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off the mask, as you can see, and it is like officially nighttime for real. I definitely enjoyed my me time. I watched, you know, a good movie. I'm watching some Bob Burgers, if you can hear it in the background. And as you can tell, I'm like super tired, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it night. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go run some errands, and yeah, my face feels really good, so the Neutrogena mask works. So yeah, let's go run some errands. Hey guys, so back at it again with another small segment of my day. So I went to school today and then I went to the gym, and so now I'm just getting dinner. And yeah, I'm just gonna have a nice quiet time. Also, I'm gonna be editing this video, so I don't know if I should vlog me editing the video. I don't know, I might go ahead and just do that just so you guys can see like my editing style and what I like in my video and what I don't like. And yeah, I feel like this vlog video is gonna be really choppy. I get really awkward when I'm like vlogging and stuff. Like I wanted to vlog like me walking to school and like telling you guys like my drive over there, but like I get really awkward and I was like, So yes, I'm super sorry if this vlog seems like really choppy or it seems weird. But yeah, my vlogging styles, I have to get better at vlogging. So don't fight me. But yeah, so I'm at El Pollo Loco in line. It's exciting. They took forever. Like I'm finally at almost at the window. So yeah, definitely excited, and I'm out. Okay y'all, so this is typically what editing looks like for me. So yeah, I use iMovie. Yeah, nothing really special to it unless you use iMovie. So typically what I do is I like to insert the clip, raise the volume up so that way you guys can hear me. And then sometimes I'll put in like transitions, which they typically go in right around here. But since this is a vlog, I kind of wanted to have that choppy effect. So like you could see like how it just like, oh wow, okay, bedroom scene and blam. So I kind of wanted to have that choppy effect. So for this part, where I'm driving, I just went ahead and sped that up because yeah, you guys don't need to see me driving in real time. And so for that particular scene right there, well, not really a scene, but for that particular moment in the vlog, I'm just gonna go ahead and add like a nice little jazz song. So you just come to you know, you go ahead and click audio, then it brings you here, then you just go ahead and type like jingle. And well, I just typed in the J and it automatically knew I wanted a jingle. So yeah, let's see. Let's turn that up. I think we should do something really cool. Alright, so I like this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and click down and drag it, so then this leaves the amount that I want, and then I'm gonna click on the amount of it that I want, and yeah, then just edit that in like that. So then now so that way the rest of the clip has sound. Just go ahead and drag that over. Okay, so let me drag it over, which is being weird. Go ahead and drag that over. It's my foot. Okay, go ahead and just click down. Okay, and there we go. My computer wanted to be a jerk. And drag it over. And so now you guys will see this happening. Let's go run some errands. Hey guys, so back at it again. So that's typically, yeah, how I edit my vlogs. Not so much my videos in general, but yeah, it was cool to show you guys that. So I'm on my way to go get my nails done. Also, it is girls' night, so I'm super excited for that. I'm supposed to pick up ice cream. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm super excited. Also, I kind of gotta go. I don't want to be late for my nail appointment. Also, I kind of have a crack in like my nail. So excited to get that fixed. Y'all, I literally like hate LA traffic. Like, I'm sitting in some trash right now. I ought to get my nails done. Look at this. Like, this is so trash. Like whoever came up with freeways for LA, you're trifling. I done got cut off like 3 times, y'all.
In 2 miles, take exit 7 beyond to Carson Street.
Good morning, guys. So, it is finally time for me to upload my video, which I will probably edit this small clip in. So this vlog, honestly, I didn't really vlog that much, but I will include like some of my personal Snapchat stories, just so you guys can see like, woo. So you'll probably see I hosted a cast party, and then I will probably just include girls' night and probably just like some more random stuff that happened during the week that I saved for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time the rest of the weekend. It's gonna be Memorial Weekend, so have a fantastic time. Also, remember to be safe, okay? Always be safe when there's like a party weekend or a holiday weekend that's like a party festival. So yeah, bye guys.